you have 5 million francs CFA today, will you rather use part of it to invest in land, or will you save it in a bank instead? This is a question many people always ask, and I don't think the answer is simply land is better or the bank is better. It depends on what you are trying to achieve with your money. So today, let's try to compare the two in a very simple way. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Musa Buba, your trusted real estate consultant here in the city of Buea, southwest region of Cameroon. I hope Cameroonians, both home and abroad, make safe and informed real estate decisions when investing in land banking and real estate. If you enjoy learning about real estate and land banking in Cameroon, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell, because I share helpful tips about real estate and land banking in Cameroon, always in this channel. Now, let's dive in. 1. What happens when you keep your money in the bank? When you keep money in a bank account, you have easy access to it. You can withdraw it anytime you need it, depending on the type of account. And that's a big advantage. For example, if you have money that you may need it for an emergency, then keeping it accessible in the bank could be very important. So don't put every franc you have into an investment. Point 2. What happens when you buy land? Land is different on the other hand. When you buy land for land banking, you are thinking more about the future. You buy the land, hold it, and wait while the area develops. If the land becomes more valuable over time, you may have the opportunity to sell it for more than you paid. But remember, location and proper research is very important when you want to invest in land. Point 3. Land can be a long-term asset. One thing many people prefer buying land is because land is a physical asset. You can see it, you can visit it, you can keep it for years, and you can also make very important things on the land. For someone thinking about long-term wealth, land can be one part of an investment strategy. Point 4. But land is not a liquid. Here is something you must understand. If you have money in your account and you need it, then accessing it may be relatively easy. But if you have put that money in land, then anytime you need it, you may need time to find a buyer if you want to sell it. That's why I always tell people, don't invest money you may need urgently or for emergency. Point 5. So, which one is better? For me, the question should not be land or bank. The question instead should be, what is the money meant for? If it's emergency money, then keep the money accessible in the bank. If you are saving for something short term, then don't lock everything into land. But if you have money set aside for long-term investment, then choosing land could be one of the wisest decisions you ever make. But after doing proper research and good due diligence before making an investment. Point 6. You don't have to choose only one. This is very important, and this is the mistakes many people do. You don't necessarily have to put all your money in one place, that is, put everything in land or in bank. You can keep some money accessible in a bank while investing a portion in land for long term. The right balance depends on your income, your goals, responsibilities, and risk tolerance. Here is my final message. Land banking can be interesting for long-term investors. Keeping money in the bank can also provide accessibility and convenience. So they serve different purposes. Don't invest because someone in social media or anywhere tell you this is the best investment. Make sure to understand your own situation first. Then make a decision that makes sense for you. Now let's hear from you. If you have 5 million francs CFA today, will you invest part of the money in land, or will you keep everything accessible in the bank? Please write your answers and opinions in the comment section. I may answer you in the future video. If you are enjoying this land banking and thoughtful lessons, please like and subscribe, because I share helpful videos about land banking and real estate investment always in this channel. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are looking for verified opportunities, that is lands with land title, then contact me via the numbers on your screen, and I shall help guide you properly, safely in making a good investment and avoiding costly mistakes. Talking about opportunities, our company, Property Trust Group of Boya, that is the company I'm associating with, we have very good land banking opportunities and very good estate selling for as low as 2 million, 2.5 millions with verified documents. Just contact me and I shall be so pleased to help you make a very good and smart real estate investment. Also remember, living abroad or living in the diaspora should not limit you from investing in land banking. Most of my clients are Cameroonians living in the diaspora, and I make sure to give them the best services and help them acquire the best land banking verified properties always in our company. Thank you very much for watching this video, and remember, don't just work for money. Let your money too work for you through smart real estate investments. I shall see you in the next video.